As per sources, the US Army has used up virtually all of its highly accurate long-range missiles during its 5-month war with Iran. This has reportedly raised concerns about the military's readiness for future conflicts. The missiles used are principally the Army's surface-to-surface weapons known as Army Tactical Missile Systems and Precision Strike Missiles. Sources suggest the US has used much of its stockpile of these weapons. The degree to which the military is running out of its missiles has not previously been reported, say sources. The long-range munitions, which cost more than $1 million each, are an important part of the military's arsenal, permitting accurate strikes from a safe distance. US's supplies have played a key role in the war in Ukraine, allowing Ukrainian forces to attack targets inside Russia. The dramatic rundown in precision long-range missiles means US President Donald Trump may have to rely more on riskier piloted bombing missions if he relaunches large-scale attacks on Iran. The sources declined to say how many of each munition the US had left. Trump launched the Iran war jointly with Israel in February, predicting that the conflict would last only for a short time. But as the war drags on, people familiar with the matter have reportedly expressed worry that the falling missile surprise could limit the US's ability to deter adversaries, including Russia and China. When asked for a comment on the stockpile data, the White House issued a statement from Trump saying the US had far more munitions than anyone in the world and far more than they need. Trump said US defense companies were making more munitions than they have ever made before at this moment, in addition to expanding their plants and equipments at record levels. Analysts agree that certain munitions, including artillery shells and several types of missiles, are being produced at record levels, but caution that supplies might fall short of what is needed for a prolonged war. The supply figures have circulated inside the federal government over the last week during these tense conversations inside the Trump administration about how much longer the US can continue striking Iran without drawing down on the stockpile to levels that would limit the military's ability to respond to crises elsewhere.
قدرت سر جنگی آنها افزایش پیدا کرده. موشک‌های